All right, I am here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and today we're going to discuss something that I witness on pretty much a daily basis, and I think other people that go shopping late at night witness this as well, and that's at grocery stores, especially 24-hour stores, and there are many of them in Los Angeles, Ralph's, Walmart, there's even some Targets that are open 24 hours. If you go in after 10 or 11 o'clock at night, a lot of times when you're walking through the aisles, you'll see huge boxes, huge stacks of boxes, and they basically roll all these boxes out. And there's generally about a 30-minute to an hour time frame where there's not even employees watching those boxes. They're just getting ready to go stock the shelves. And if there's something behind the box that I want to get and I reach around it and that thing comes down on me, I don't even want to know how painful that would be. So David, is this common, and where is the stance from a legal standpoint? Is this safe from the perspective of the premises or the owner of that establishment? Why are they just putting huge stacks of boxes out on a shopping floor where customers are going to be?
Well, I guess I'll answer your question going backwards. You asked why would they do that. I spoke to somebody and they said that historically the supermarkets would close, and from after closing time till morning time, that's what would happen. They would have their employees come in and restock the shelves for the next day, so all the products are in order, arrange everything so everything's proper for the next day. And I think probably what happened was some CEO decided that, what, we can keep these stores open 24 hours and make more money. I mean, we're already open somewhat, stocking these shelves. Why not go ahead and have it open to the public as well? But moving a step back, like you indicated, there is generally a legal duty upon a owner of a premises or a person who has possession of a premises to ensure and make sure that the premises is in a reasonably safe condition. And just like you demonstrated, they stack these boxes up high because they want to have enough of those boxes to be able to reshelf what needs to be reshelved at a particular aisle. And in a different scenario, like you suspected, you can have one patron who's trying to get something behind those boxes, and you got another customer who's passing by. And this patron is trying to reach something, and instead of causing that box to fall on themselves, they can cause that box to fall on another passerby person and cause them injury. So, yes, I do agree with you. They do it. I think it's probably just weighing the benefits of profits versus, okay, we may get 1 or 2 lawsuits out of this whole process, but the profits overall in keeping these stores open 24-hour fitness outweighs any lawsuits. Let's just go ahead and do it. I do agree with you. I do think that they do need to come up with a better way of making sure that it's not dangerous, but I think they look at it as it's 1 or 2 lawsuits. Who cares? Let's just go about doing what we're doing right now. And like you said, there's other scenarios. They rip boxes open. Sometimes a piece of a cardboard may get on the floor. And what you have to understand, and we've discussed in other cases, most people are going to a supermarket to look for something on the shelves. And when you're looking for something on the shelves, unfortunately, you can't be like every instance, like taking a quick look at the shelf and looking in front of you to see if there's anything there to walk. Most people generally are going to be walking through the aisles, looking through, saying, okay, where's this ketchup or mustard or whatever they're looking for on the shelves to find it and pick it up. And unfortunately, a lot of times, if there's any water or any spills that might have occurred from unpackaging any products that might have spilled, and then what happens is, like I said, the person says, okay, well, I got to go get something to come finish, this spill. But it could happen right about that time. Somebody's walking by, and unbeknownst to them, there's that broken product or something that's spilled on the floor, and they don't know about it. It could be a fluid, it could be a clear fluid, and they slip and fall and injure themselves. So I absolutely agree with you 100%. It's not safe, but it still boggles my mind as to why they do it.
Absolutely. And if you have had an unfortunate situation where you've had these boxes collapse on you, or you've had a situation where you've slipped and fallen, please feel free to contact the law offices of David Azizi. The phone number will be both above and below in the YouTube video. Thank you for your time, David.
All right, thank you.